looking for the most accurate ICSE Class 10 geography predictions for 2025? You are at the right place. This video has been carefully researched to provide you with the most expected questions based on past trends. I have analyzed question papers from 2007 to 2024, and today I bring you the top predictions for the 2025 board exam. Not just that, I have also included competency-based questions from the 2025 specimen paper that are highly likely to appear in the board exam. And now, here are the top geography topics you must study for ICSE 2025. Do you want all the predictions for ICSE geography? Watch till the end. What if you could get an exclusive exam update, important notes, and more predictions? Would you want that? Click the link below in the description to get exclusive study material and exam updates. Now, let's dive into the important chapters, important questions. Chapter 2, Climate. All right, let's start with something super important, climate. It's a big deal in India because it affects everything from farming to natural disasters. The Indian monsoon system is a hot favorite for the exam. Key topics and likely questions. The role of the Himalayas. How do the Himalayas influence monsoon rainfall? The Himalayas act like a barrier, stopping cold winds in the north and forcing moisture-laden monsoon winds to rise, causing heavy rainfall. El Niño and La Niña effects. Explain how global climatic events affect India's monsoon patterns. El Niño weakens monsoons, causing droughts, while La Niña strengthens them, leading to heavy rains. Both have a huge impact on agriculture. Monsoon variability in agriculture. How does delayed or excessive monsoon impact crop production? Too much rain leads to floods, while too little leads to drought. Timing is everything. A delayed monsoon can ruin crops, while excess rainfall can flood fields. This is a big issue for farmers. Case study alert. The Mumbai floods 2005. The city received 944 millimeters of rain in just 24 hours. Poor drainage and urbanization made things worse. This is a perfect example of how climate and human activity can lead to disasters. Pro tip: master rainfall distribution, seasonal changes, and case studies for application-based questions. Chapter 3, Soil Resources. Soil is the foundation of agriculture. This chapter focuses on comparative and analytical questions. Key topics and likely questions. Types of soil and crops grown. Compare alluvial and black soil in terms of fertility and crops grown. Alluvial soil is super fertile and great for wheat and rice. Black soil is perfect for cotton. Different soils support different crops. Soil erosion and conservation. Discuss major causes of soil erosion and methods to prevent it. Deforestation, overgrazing, and bad farming practices cause erosion. The solution includes afforestation, contour-plowing, and terrace farming. Case study alert. The Deccan Plateau has used afforestation and contour-plowing to improve soil health. A great example is soil conservation. Pro tip: focus on erosion causes, conservation methods, and soil-crop relationships, as these topics are frequently asked. Chapter 4, Natural Vegetation. This chapter connects climate, geography, and biodiversity conservation. Key topics and likely questions. Types of vegetation and distribution. Why are tropical rainforests found in the Western Ghats but not in Rajasthan? The Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall, whereas Rajasthan is dry. Deforestation and its effects. Explain how deforestation leads to climate change and biodiversity loss. Cutting down trees leads to less oxygen, more carbon dioxide, rising temperatures, and wildlife loss. This is why afforestation is important. Case study alert. The Aravalli Hills have been saved from desertification through reforestation efforts. Pro tip: application-based questions are common, so understand solutions to environmental challenges. Chapter 5, Water Resources. Water is precious, and water scarcity is a major issue. Key topics and likely questions. Groundwater depletion. Why is Punjab facing a severe groundwater crisis? Overuse of tube wells, excessive farming, and lack of rainwater harvesting have led to declining water levels. Sustainable water management. Explain how rainwater harvesting helps reduce water scarcity. Techniques like johads, baulis, and rooftop harvesting store rainwater for later use. Case study alert. Rajasthan's rainwater harvesting techniques have helped manage water scarcity for centuries. Pro tip: learn conservation techniques, as they are frequently asked in exams. Chapter 6, Agriculture. One of the most important chapters. Key topics and likely questions. Types of farming. Differentiate between subsistence and commercial farming with examples. Subsistence farming is for survival, rice, wheat, while commercial farming is for profit, cotton, sugarcane. Green Revolution and its impact. Discuss the benefits and drawbacks of the Green Revolution. It increased food production but also led to soil degradation. Case study alert. Punjab's Green Revolution brought high-yield crops but also soil exhaustion. Pro tip. Know farming techniques, irrigation methods, and sustainability issues. Chapter 7. Minerals and Energy Resources. Energy is the future. Key topics and likely questions. Conventional versus non-conventional energy. Why is solar energy gaining importance in India? Because it is renewable, cheap, and eco-friendly. Environmental concerns of mining. Explain how coal mining leads to deforestation and pollution. It destroys forests and pollutes water bodies. Case study alert. Jharkhand's coal mining has caused massive deforestation. Pro tip. Expect graph-based questions on energy production trends. Chapter 8. Manufacturing industries. Key topics and likely questions. Factors affecting industrial location. Why is the cotton and textile industry concentrated in Maharashtra and Gujarat? The availability of raw materials, transport, and suitable climate. Impact of industrialization. Discuss its positive and negative effects on the environment. Industrialization creates jobs but also causes pollution. Case study alert. The Bhopal gas tragedy, 1984, showed the dangers of industrial hazards. Pro tip. Know pollution control methods and factors affecting industrial location. Chapter 9. Transport and communication. Key topics and likely questions. Railways versus roadways. Why are roads preferred over railways in hilly regions? Roads are cheaper and more flexible. Impact of digital communication. How has the internet transformed rural economies? Online banking, e-commerce, and education have improved rural life. Case study alert. The Golden Quadrilateral Project boosted India's trade. Pro tip. Understand transport efficiency and digital technology. Chapter 10. Waste management. Key topics and likely questions. E-waste management. How does improper disposal of electronic waste affect the environment? Toxic chemicals leak into the soil and water. Reduce, reuse, recycle approach. Explain urban waste management strategies. Waste management involves segregation, composting, and recycling. Case study alert. The Swachh Bharat mission has improved India's waste management system. Final exam strategy. Master map work. Explain why and how. Use case studies wisely. Revise smartly. Now go and rock your exam.